Hello.
Hi. Oh. Okay. This is kind of like a birthing video. Wait.
Mine was louder.
I can't do like big burps or small, especially since that chocolate milk. Wait, let me say it like that. Ew. I didn't even drink with milk.
Oh my god.
Small. What's you looking at? Yeah, there's like too much milk. We're drinking chocolate milk. Oh, that's small. What are you looking at?
Sophie, you dumbass!
Who's over there? Who's over there? What? Oh,
Wipe your ass on the floor. Sophie!
Wait.
Oh my god.
Ew, I think I stepped in her shit thingy. Oh my god, Sophie! Stop littering. What? How's it going? How's your roll? Wait. Hold on. I'm up with 3. I'm not trying to hit my camera. I'm not trying to hit you, by the way. Okay? Dude, I was drinking chocolate milk and I spit it out because this bitch right here is making me laugh. She's like, loodle. She's like, loodle. I can't yodel.
No, it's like
yodel. Yo. Yippee-yi-yo-ki-yay.
Here's what I have to say. Yippee-yi-yo-ki-yay.
Let's cut it now. Sorry to burst your bubble. Turn off that.
Say bye, Sophie.